Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Because we have x, so I will put number 3 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First, the derivative of u square, we have to u. First, the derivative of number 3, this is about the constant, so you got about 0. First, the derivative of x, we have number 1, so we just put about the x. So this one we change by u. X we change by u square minus 3. The x we change by this one. So this one we have negative number 2. U and u we simplify. Number 2 I will put in here. So this one that is about identity. So I will put into u minus the square root of number 2 multiplied by u plus the square root of number 2. Next, I will put about number 2 with the square root of number 2 on numerator and denominator. Next, this one that is about the square root of number 2 plus the square root of number 2. This one you got about 2 with the square root of number 2. Later that I need to put about u. That means we need to minus about u. So this one we can do about factorization by negative number 1. So this one divide by this one divide by this one. Number 2 we simplify. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u minus with the square root of number 2. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u plus the square root of number 2. And then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.